friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Rituka. In this channel, the Vegan Flower Child is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today is a recipe video. We're going to be making some amazing vegan chickpea tuna salad sandwich. And we're going to be making this two ways. So let's get started. So here I've added 3 leveled cups of boiled chickpeas in this bowl. And while boiling them, I added a decent amount of Himalayan pink salt to it. Now I'm going to mash this with the back of a fork. Make sure you mash each and every chickpea really well. So once that's done, to this I'm going to add a large onion finely chopped, 3/4 of a large red bell pepper chopped, and a small heaping cup of fresh celery finely chopped. Now we can keep this aside. So next let's make our dressing, for which in a bowl I'm going to add 240 grams of vegan mayo, followed by 2 heaping tablespoons of mustard sauce. I prefer to use American Garden mustard sauce as it gets me the ideal flavors, followed by 2.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, a teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. We're not going to add much salt here, as while boiling the chickpeas I had added good amount of salt. Now we can give this a good mix and our amazing dressing is done. So it's time to get back to our chickpea bowl. So first let's mix the chickpeas and the onions and peppers and celery together. And once done, I'm going to add our dressing to it and give everything a good mix. And our amazing spread is ready. Guys, this spread is so delicious. It not just tastes but even smells like tuna. It's yum. So next, I have washed and trimmed the leaves of some Romanian lettuce. And I've made them into cups by layering one leaf on top of the other. Make sure to remove the hard stem behind each leaf. And now we can fill these up with a delicious spread. And I have sliced some cherry tomatoes that I'm going to garnish these cups with. And our amazing vegan chickpea tuna salad sandwich is done. So for making the sandwich, first I'm going to pickle some cucumbers. So here I've sliced half a cucumber, and that's given me around 9-10 slices of cucumbers, to which I'm going to add a pinch of salt and pepper, followed by around 1/4 teaspoon of stevia powder for sweetness, and 2 teaspoons of vinegar for sourness. Now we can mix this all up really well and let it sit for around 30 minutes before we can use them. So next, here I'm using some gluten-free bread. I've taken 2 slices and I'm choosing not to toast them as this bread tastes better on raw bread according to me. And I'm going to add 2 thin sheets of toasted nori on one slice, followed by some torn green leaves. I'm using the same Romanian lettuce here. You can use any greens of your choice. And I'm going to top them with our pickled cucumbers. And finally add a generous amount of our vegan chickpea tuna spread. And our yum sandwich is done. It's uncanny how this spread tastes and smells like tuna. You guys have to try it out. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please go ahead and try it out and let me know in the comments what you think of it. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.